What up, YouTube? It's your boy Toggle 125 Photo, bringing you another video to...
What up? Whoa. What the hell are you doing right now, bro?
Oh, I'm just trying to make a YouTube video.
Nah, you can do that, bro, but don't be stealing what I got going on, man.
Yeah, I was just making two.
Nah, you messed it up.
I can't. Well, I mean, how's it done then? How's it? I mean, show me how it's done.
Let me show you.
Yeah, show me how it's done.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan SJ Sport Photography, bring you back another video today. That's the way you do it.
That's the way. Okay, so there you have it. My man came through, showing me how it's done. We about to do this DAP challenge. We running it back. Now, if you guys remember, when I was in Cincinnati area, I did a DAP with my boy SJ. So we running it back. We in the H-Town. We in Houston. We got the model coming. So we about to do another DAP and see what's popping. So let's get it.
Let's get into it. Let's go.
All right, I'm tapping in because we only kind of ran back that DAP. We unfortunately ran out of time, so we only got 2 rounds in. So in this video, I'm just going to show the images that I got within the DAP. SJ is going to put out the official DAP video, although his is not going to be finished either, but he'll put out the official. So this is just my images. Real quick, if you don't know about the DAP, it's a challenge that SJ does. It's basically like horse and basketball. So we each get 5 shots, 5 consecutive shots each round, and then the model picks the winner of each round. So I'm just showing my shots just because we didn't get to finish the DAP, and SJ is going to do his thing on his videos. So when he drops that, I'll link to that as well. So enjoy.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come in. So come around a little bit. Oh, yep, I love that, yep. And then that right hand, just kind of put it on your waist a little bit for me. Or maybe even like in your back pocket area. Yep, nice, yep. 1, 2, 3. Did that pop? Yeah, it's all good. Okay. So let me have you come stand. We won't have you stand on that because we don't want to get the boot. Let's have you stand like right here.
Which right side?
This side. Let's go glasses off. Come around a little bit to your right. A little bit more. Perfect. Yep, I like that right there. All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's 3. Yep, I like that. Turn your body a little bit more this way. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Yep. Nice. All right, yep, that's good. Actually need to be up. Can you come out from underneath the thing so you can have it up a little bit more, but then come around over towards me? Yeah. Yep. Perfect. All right. Good, good. 3, 2, 1. All right, then we got one more. Let's have you come right here. Stand right on that this little area, that little thing right there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Huh? Come on this side. And then, yeah, that's good. Back up just a little bit, and then come around towards me a little bit. Yep. All right, perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. Yep. I didn't even see them. I don't know what they look like. All right, here we go. So let me have you, actually no, you keep looking that way. SJ, can you bring the light around? Perfect. Man. I was going to just take the shot, but I'm like, no, I'm not trying to have to shop that out unnecessarily. And it was blending in with her dress. I'm like, no. Yeah, yeah. No, back up. Yep, yep, yep. No, maybe put it down a little bit. Put it all the way. So, yeah, do that and then kind of lean into it a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then frame it here. Yep, that's yep. I like that. Just bring your face to me a little bit. Look, yeah, right there. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me get a close one because I really haven't done like a close. Let me get in close. Yep, I like that. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, so let me have you jump up and stand over on that side over there, right in between these two trees. So go stand on that side over there. Perfect. Come over a little bit to your left. Yep, yep. Perfect. All right, now SJ, get that light in close. Yep. Perfect. Pull it back just a little bit. Not that much. Yep. All right. And then kind of turn your body more facing the light. Yeah, there, perfect. Yep. And then bring your head back to me. Yep, perfect. Right there. Yep. Drop that. Perfect. Yep. All right. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Can you take a step forward, a small step forward? Yep, right there, perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1. That's 4. And then I'm gonna have you stand in front of the steps, not on the steps. So let's go, right there's good, right there's good, right there's good. Yep, and then turn around. Then go ahead, swap, take that light over. Other side. That's it. Closer. Let's go hat off. But hold it though. So kind of like be playful with the hat. Nice. Yep. Good. All right. 3, 2. Huh? No, it's fine. I mean, it's the wind is doing what the wind does to it, but I like it still. Yeah. Yep. All right, 3, 2, 1. Boom.